ATM.
Yeah. Go right there. Go right there. Come. What's your name?
Aubrey.
Aubrey?
Yes.
So what kind of baby do you think mommy's going to have?
Girl.
A girl?
Yes.
Okay, so you're a team girl?
Yes.
Come, Adriana. Do you want to say something? What do you want to say? Talk.
My name is Ashana. I'm your medium sister. I think you're gonna be a girl.
So what do you want, a girl or a boy?
Girl.
Okay. You know, yeah. Your money already. No, go on that camera. We can't. Yeah, record. I'm ready.
Record.
Hey, I'm your mom, and I think you're going to be a boy. Let's do it. Come on, do it.
Start.
1. Hey guys, good morning. So today is my gender reveal, and I'm going to do a little get ready with me. So I'm gonna go ahead to my hair, my lashes, my makeup, and get dressed. So it's currently 8 o'clock, so it's 7:59, and I'm really tired because I didn't get much rest last night. I went to bed like really late. I was up doing the girls' hair, so yeah. This is me drinking some orange peel tea. So I peel the orange and boil the skin. Drinking it as a tea. So I'm not gonna be doing any ball cap. Try to brush all my edges back. So I should just go ahead and get like a wig cap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a wig cap. Give me 1 minute. So this is the wig cap. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and for some reason I can't find my skin protect. I'm just gonna go ahead and get some baby wipes. So I'm gonna go in and apply 3 layers. As you can see, it's already dried clear, and I'm just now finishing applying it. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3 layers, and I'll trust me, this didn't take me any time to apply my glue because I went ahead and I did some 10 layers so that it can dry quick, and that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my wig. So this is my wig, You can go bust on middle part or side. So all we're going to head and do like a flat iron and pre-style it. So all I'm gonna do is just go ahead and apply it. So this wig I have it for like 2 years now. I have it since 2021. I made this wig in 2021. It's not time for you yet. Let me stand it up. In the glue. I get my mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and come back because I don't have the mirror right here where that I can see it. So just a minute. So now I am back, and this is what happens when you like prep your wig ahead of time. You don't have to spend so much time installing it when you prep it off your head, that is. So now I'm gonna go in with my band. So I went ahead and did this as tight as I can. Let me draw it a little tighter until... Now I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes. Bring that over somewhere. Huh? You go let them bring it over somewhere.
I want to do it. I want to do it.
I can do one.
Don't squat. So I like that yellow.
Yeah, I'll go for next time, night.
This is shine up to me. Yeah.
Eh? Eh?
This is up to me. This is shine.
Yeah, me, I'll go for the next one too. Yo, serious.
Just the trees, you know. I'm ready for bed.
Not yet.
I'm not go.
Show your dress. Give me this. Give me that. Give me that.
Come on, leave it. Excuse, Aubrey.
You do it wrong.
Take your balloon out your mouth, Adriana. Adriana.
Your lipstick again. Mommy, your lipstick again.
All right. Take up the balloon.
Frizz. For wash day. For everyone.
There's some money in our money.
Don't start on.
No, because there's some down here. Because it's a boy one problem. The hair is not right. Like the bonnet for the girl.
Keeper is.
It's the words.
Here you go, guys. This is it. This is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay for part 2 where I'll have my gender reveal, the actual thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.